Hi, if your vacuum cleaner is no longer vacuuming properly, it may be time to perform the necessary maintenance on it. This should be done every 2 to 4 months, depending on use. It is important that the operations are carried out outdoors if possible. The first step is to clean the engine. To do this, first remove the port area. After that, open the lid of the device and remove the HEPA filter. Set the speed controller to the maximum level. This operation is recommended to be carried out outdoors. Connect the device to the network and turn it on. Thanks to the increased airflow, the dust that had been deposited in the past came out of the engine. The second step is to clean the inlet filter and the tank. If there is dirt in the tank, empty it. The lid of the inlet filter can be opened by pressing the lower latch. On this, we can observe the previously deposited dirt. This should be cleaned with water. Place the filter in the water and move it or push it. If the contamination has already colored the water, then it should be replaced. You can then clean the filter in running water or with a shower head. If we find the filter clean, squeeze the water out of it. It is important not to twist it. After this, the dust container can also be washed. If the filter is dry, we can start the third phase. We will clean the previously removed HEPA filter. This will require a compressor or the output branch of an industrial vacuum cleaner. Blow into the filter against the flow of air. If we are done with this, we can put the filter back into the vacuum cleaner. If the filter and dust container are dry, they can also be returned. It is important to replace any filter if it is damaged. After this, the vacuum cleaner is ready for use again.